That kiss you gave me this morning was just the calm before the storm. I know in my heart that you're leaving me for someone else's arms. The storm sometimes comes without warning, so I'm thankful that I was forewarned. It gives me a chance to speak to my heart and to brace myself for the storm. The storm is coming, I can feel it, and soon we'll be driven apart. You'll rush to the arms of your new love, deserting a broken heart. If there was a way I could hold you with words that are tender and warm, I'd rise and challenge the oncoming waves and defend our love from the storm. I'd rise and challenge the oncoming waves and defend our love from the storm.